First tip for making any chips is using Maris Piper potatoes. Very important you put the chips in cold water, bring it to the boil, and then cook them for a further 3 minutes. First cook done, straight in the fridge, 30 minutes. Time for the second cook. It's a gentle fry at 130 degrees. You need to fry them for about 3 minutes. At this point, we're going to go into the fridge for at least 30 minutes, or you can put them in there overnight. Now it's time for our third and final cook. This is where they go really crispy. Might take about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm delighted with them. They're exactly what you're after those 3 cooks. Golden brown and crispy all over. You can see there, you can almost hear them. Lovely and fluffy on the inside. That is the perfect chip.